All right, guys, so if it jams up a little bit, what I recommend doing is just shake the gun up a little bit, get the jammed bullets to fall out, and then you're good to go. So far, this is working really good. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today we are reviewing the do-it-yourself assembly. This is for 12 years and older. This is the Glock 18. It is a gel blaster gun. So it comes with 10,000 gel bullets, and the speed burst is 0.2 seconds. Let's see, long range shooting. So if you want to pause the video, you guys can, but we're going to go ahead and show you what you get. All right, guys, so this is what you get inside. You get the carbon fiber look Glock right here. So this is it. This is what it looks like. You can pause the video at any point if you want to get more detail on how it looks. These are the bullets. So all you do is you put these with water. So you can put water in here and then you put these in. And what's going to happen is they're going to turn into little bullets just like this. We already got bullets made ahead of time, so we can jump right to the video for y'all. Safety glasses. An orange end, that way you know, people know that it's not a real gun. So this would go on the end and you just turn it. So try and line this up right over the hole. So as you guys, well, it's a little hard to see, but you just put that on place, then you tighten this. So make this tight, that way it doesn't go anywhere. And once you have your bullets in here, you're gonna turn the gun upside down and then thread it on like this. And you'll thread that in until it's tight. And then the bullets will fall down in for your gun and you'll be ready to go. We're gonna take that off because we gotta fill bullets in there. There's a manual, so check out the manual for more information. All right, so this is your battery. And the battery is going to just work just like this. So you press that in. All right, this is the charger for the battery. So to do that, you can turn the battery off if you're not using this with the red button underneath here. So as you guys can see, then you turn it on. To pop the battery out, you push this orange button and then pull the battery right out. And for charging the battery, you connect this like this and then plug this into any USB port. Very simple. This is a laser scope. Go ahead and pull that out. And now you have a laser. So we're going to go ahead and turn some lights off here. Let you guys see. So as you can see, really strong laser, and that's going to be put on the bottom of your gun, I believe. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, so that's just going to slide on right here. Now you just like that, and then you can position it, and then you're good to go. So then you got the laser sight. All right, let's load this thing up with some bullets. All right, like I said, you guys are going to want to fill it up with water and then put the bullets in. What I recommend doing is filling up a jar or something with water and then put the bullets in, not this, unless you measure it out right. So we're gonna go ahead, and now that we got it connected, so water is dripping. That's because there was water inside this. So as you guys can see, we had some water in this with that. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. All right, guys, so if it jams up a little bit, what I recommend doing is just shake the gun up a little bit, get the jammed bullets to fall out, and then you're good to go. So far, this is working really good. And yes, it does shoot far. It's pretty windy, but it's actually going to the garage way out of here. You just got to aim higher, and it's pretty windy, but you can hit it. You guys probably can't see that. And that's it. We're out. So yeah, rapid pace. The gun only jams once or twice, and by shaking it, that solved the issue. Overall, absolutely a fun toy, my friends.